KOSPI crashed to 6,515.24 at Monday's open, down 4.48% before anyone could blink. Then it snapped back to the 6,700 range within 15 minutes, the wildest whipsaw Seoul has seen in months. I'm Lena. Wall Street just closed for the day, and Seoul opens in about an hour. Here's what's actually moving tonight. The panic came from Philadelphia. The SOX Semiconductor Index officially confirmed a bear market on July 17. SOX is now down 20.2% from its June 22 record high. The strange part, TSMC just posted blowout Q2 2026 results, and the sector sold off anyway. So Seoul's chip stocks opened deep in the red and then flipped hard within the first hour of trading. SK Hynix reversed early losses to trade up 1.3% at 1,866,000 Korean wons. Foreign investors led the morning selling before short covering, and Hynix's turnaround dragged the index back. Traders are positioning ahead of Wednesday's Q2 2026 earnings. The market wants proof AI demand still holds. Coupang's Incheon logistics hub burned for 61 straight hours before firefighters got it under control. The fire ignited July 18 at 6:54 a.m. inside building number 32 in COE district. The site spans 299,000 square meters, one of Coupang's largest fulfillment centers in the country. 813 firefighters and 231 pieces of equipment were deployed under national mobilization. President Lee Jae-myung personally ordered full resource deployment. Estimated losses land in the several hundred billion won range, a real hit to rocket delivery capacity for the metro region. The blaze was finally controlled Monday evening as damage assessments began. Hanwha Solutions confirmed a 1.2 trillion Korean won's rights offering, but that's half its original March plan. The FSS demanded 2 rounds of revisions in April, citing thin disclosure on liquidity risk and profit outlook. 56 million new shares are priced at 22,100 Korean wons, a 20.8% discount to the preliminary 27,900 Korean wons. That's roughly 31% below the July 20 market price, near 32,000 Korean wons. Hanwha runs solar modules and part of Korea's petrochemical arm. Both segments have been squeezed by pricing pressure this year. Existing shareholders face heavy dilution, and the stock could reprice toward the offering level when Seoul opens. Samsung and SK Hynix are racing to mass-produce CXL 3.2 memory, a new tier in AI's memory hierarchy. Samsung targets year-end mass production of its CMMD 3.0 module. That schedule could slip into 2027 if Intel and AMD server platforms aren't ready. SK Hynix unveiled 2nd-gen CMM DDR5 at HPD 2026, 256GB running on CXL 3.2. It clocked a 35.7% inference efficiency gain, though no production timeline was disclosed. CXL doesn't replace HBM, it slots between DRAM and storage, expanding what AI servers can hold. For Korea's memory giants, owning this early means capturing the next AI upgrade cycle after HBM demand plateaus. Blackstone is buying a controlling stake in Korea's Futronic for roughly $720 million. Futronic makes motion control actuators. Blackstone is betting the same technology can power humanoid robots. Samsung Electronics cut about 840 U.S. jobs, consolidating its consumer HQ from New Jersey to Plano, Texas. LG Chem will shut its Naju adhesive line and move the 6,000-ton capacity to its Daesan complex. Orion Holdings crossed 1 trillion Korean wons in Q1 revenue as Showbox swung to a 21.7 billion Korean wons profit. Into Dynamics posted its highest ever quarterly revenue, domestic defense deliveries up 54%, though exports slipped 7%. And Korea's FSC is dismantling the network separation rule that walled banks off from cloud-hosted AI for more than a decade. KB Financial startup TrustLayer is already showing early commercial demand as the walls come down. Watch item: SK Hynix Q2 earnings land Wednesday. A clean beat could drag the whole KOSPI back up. For the full analysis on any of these stories, visit LineVestnews.com and subscribe to LineVest Daily. It's now completely free.